Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kia Connect to monitor battery and charging progress, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Kia Connect. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Kia Connect website. Once the page has loaded, locate the Login button on the upper right corner. Click the Login button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that your email and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, look for the Sign In button. Click the Sign In button to log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Battery and Charging. Click on this section to monitor your vehicle's battery status. Here you will see the current battery level displayed. You can also view the charging progress if the vehicle is plugged in. For more details, check the estimated time for a full charge. If you have multiple vehicles linked to your account, select the specific vehicle you want to monitor. Ensure your vehicle is connected to the Kia Connect system for real-time updates. Feel free to explore additional features available in the Kia Connect dashboard. Once finished, you can log out by clicking on your profile icon. Then select the Logout option to secure your account. Close the browser when you're done monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.